Biden administration holds EV industry meeting with Musk and Barra. Well, there you go. How's that for recognition? You know, Musk was going back and forth with Biden for a while on social media saying, say the name, say the word Tesla. And Biden was much more into the GM and Ford at the time, as far as the words he was willing to say. Although there were other reasons, because were there other reasons? I can't remember what the reasons were, but there were other reasons why he was mostly focusing on GM and Ford, because it was new jobs, or I don't know. The Biden administration said senior officials held a meeting Wednesday with major automotive leaders, including Tesla Chief Executive Elon Musk and General Motors Chief Executive Mary Barra, to discuss electric vehicles and charging. Charging's a big deal, Will. Big deal. The administration said in a statement there was broad consensus that charging stations and vehicles need to be interoperable and provide a seamless user experience no matter what car you drive or where you charge your EV. Well, I know Musk has already talked about opening up the supercharge network for non-Tesla vehicles. Here's the thing. We're going to need a lot more chargers if that happens, because every time I go to a supercharger, they're pretty much like almost all in use.
Really?
So if you start letting all the other EVs on there as well, we're going to need more charge. Now, I'm not in the States. I'm over here. There's a couple of different banks. If there's a setup in Markham, which is like a lot more chargers, and the Vaughan Mills one is a lot more chargers. But I was charging up in Barrie, and it might only be 7 or 8 chargers.
Okay.
Now it's charging pretty quick. It's not like it used to be. It's charging pretty quick. But again, you try to imagine like where the bottleneck is right now. If everybody just switches over to electric, it's definitely there. It's going to be with the chargers. There's certainly not as many of them as there are gas stations. Granted, you mostly charge at home. And I've discovered, like in my personal use case, with the 500 kilometers on the Model S that I have, like it's never an issue. It's really never an issue. It's very rare this issue. Only a road trip would be the time. Like day to day.
Yeah, I would imagine you would top up at home.
I actually don't have a charger at home right now. It only charges. Yeah, it only charges when I'm at work.
Oh.
But it still never matters. I will have a charger at home, but even then, like, I don't know. Right now, it's not even plugged into the charger because it will charge. If it's on the daily, it wants to charge to around 500 kilometers, even though the actual full charge is like 520. And so in order to preserve battery health and whatnot. So you can set it. If you know you're going to take a road trip, you can set for the extra. But otherwise, you don't want to be overcharging it. And so in this case, it's like pinned at 500 just on my daily routine. It's never not at 500 because of the just typical work hours. So I don't even really, that's the crazy part, is I'm able to drive it as a daily and I don't even have a charger at home. Just one at work is enough.
Take more road trips, man.
Well, in the summer, I think that might happen.
Yeah.
But then I might pull the van out and who knows, it's a whole different ball game. But anyways, it seems like the administration is on board. They want to create a national network of 500,000 chargers. That's a big deal. It's going to cost you. But like, look, it's a coalition. You got Ford, Chrysler, you got Lucid, and you got Nissan, and you got Mazda, and Hyundai, and Mercedes-Benz, and Kia, Subaru, Toyota. Yeah, man, it's all happening. We're right in the middle of it right now. We are. By the time you get your Bronco, everything else will be electric.
I know, and then I have to sell it immediately.
Yeah, you're gonna get
for
your
like $4
Bronco in 2026, and everybody drives a Cybertruck. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking.